Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to copy your Amazon profile link. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to Amazon official website and sign into your account. After logging in, you'll be redirected back to the Amazon homepage. Now look towards the navigation bar at the top and locate Account and Lists. This section contains most of your account-related settings, including where you'll find your profile information. Inside the Account and Lists menu, click on Switch Profile. Here, you can view and manage different profiles under your account. Next, you'll see a section titled Who's Shopping. This area displays all profiles linked to your account. Locate your own profile and click View next to it. This will take you directly to your Amazon profile page, where you can see your activity, reviews, and preferences. Once on your profile page, go to top and click on the URL bar. The URL in the browser's address bar is your unique Amazon profile link. To copy it, simply highlight the link, right-click, and select Copy. You can now share this link with friends, use it for product recommendations, or save it for future use. And that's it. So that is how you can copy your Amazon profile link. So that's all for this video. Thanks.